Welcome to Review Rumble. The best hand cream is probably one of the most essential items for anyone whose hands take a beating, whether from manual labor, frequent washing, or exposure to harsh elements. And today we're diving deep into what makes a hand cream truly stand out, ensuring your hardworking hands get the nourishment and protection they deserve. Because let's face it, dry, cracked skin is not only uncomfortable but can also be a sign of neglect that a good product can easily remedy. Number 5. Miracle Hand Repair Cream 1 ounce, 3-pack. Are you tired of dry, cracked hands? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed to bring relief and comfort to your skin. Infused with 60% pure aloe vera, this cream harnesses the power of nature to deeply moisturize and heal. Experience the soothing benefits of this potent ingredient. Say goodbye to sticky, greasy lotions. Our formula is non-greasy and absorbs quickly, leaving your hands feeling soft and smooth without any residue. Whether you work with your hands all day or just need extra care, this moisturizer is your perfect companion. It provides intense hydration for even the most extremely dry skin. This best healing hand cream is specifically formulated to repair and restore damaged skin. Get ready to reveal softer, healthier looking hands with consistent use. This convenient 3-pack ensures you always have this essential hand repair cream on hand. Enjoy lasting relief and protection for your hands. What we like. This one is packed with 60% aloe vera for intense hydration. Its non-greasy and fast-absorbing formula makes it perfect for those who need immediate relief without the sticky feeling. If your hands are extremely dry and cracked from manual labor, this is the one to grab. What people say. This product is amazing, it really works. I love this product, it is so good. This is a great product, I would recommend it. Number 4. Miracle Hand and Foot Repair. Experience the revitalizing power of our hand repair cream. It's designed to deeply moisturize and restore your skin's natural softness. Enriched with nourishing ingredients, this formula works to heal dryness and chapping. Enjoy smoother, healthier looking hands with every application. Discover the targeted care your feet deserve with our specialized foot repair. This potent blend soothes and rejuvenates tired soles. Its concentrated formula penetrates deeply to relieve rough, cracked skin. Treat your feet to ultimate comfort and a visibly smoother finish. Together, these two products offer comprehensive care for your hands and feet. Achieve soft, supple skin from your fingertips to your toes. What we like. Get comprehensive care with this duo that tackles both hand and foot issues. It's ideal for anyone looking for a convenient solution for common skin problems on both extremities. If you want to simplify your routine and address dry skin on hands and feet simultaneously, this set is a great choice. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for anyone with dry, cracked hands. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. The scent is subtle and pleasant, not overpowering. Number 3. Grown Alchemist Restorative Hand Cream. Experience the luxurious touch of our restorative hand cream. It's designed to deeply nourish and soften your skin. Enjoy the delightful scent of vanilla and orange peel. This natural fragrance adds a touch of sensory pleasure to your routine. Our formula absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It provides effective moisturization without feeling heavy on your skin. Restore the suppleness and softness of your hands with every application. It works to combat dryness and leave your skin feeling revitalized. This convenient 65 ml size is perfect for your bag or desk. Keep your hands moisturized wherever you go. What we like. Experience a touch of luxury with its delightful vanilla and orange peel scent. This cream is designed to nourish and soften your hands, leaving them feeling pampered. If you appreciate natural ingredients and a sophisticated fragrance while seeking effective moisturization, this is a wonderful option. What people say. It also absorbs quickly and does not leave my hands feeling greasy or lotiony. Smooth, absorbs easily, leaves hands very soft. It's effective in keeping my hands soft and free from the harsh effects of washing my hands daily. Number 2. O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet Foot Cream. Are your feet extremely dry and cracked? O'Keeffe's for Healthy Feet is here to help. Get guaranteed relief with this powerful foot cream. This repairing skincare is designed specifically for your feet. It works to restore and heal even the most damaged skin. Experience instant hydration. This cream immediately boosts your skin's moisture levels, providing fast-acting comfort. Not only does it boost moisture, but it also helps to retain it. Enjoy long-lasting softness and protection for your feet. Achieve healthy, happy feet with regular use. It's the perfect solution for extremely dry and cracked foot concerns. Trust O'Keeffe's for effective foot care solutions. This cream is a customer favorite for a reason. What we like. Specifically formulated to target extremely dry and cracked feet, this offers guaranteed relief. It instantly boosts and retains moisture, making a noticeable difference. If you suffer from severely dry or rough feet and need a powerful, targeted solution, this cream is your best bet. What people say. The product works great for dry hands. It leaves my hands feeling soft and moisturized. I love the scent of this hand cream. Number 1. O'Keeffe's Working Hands Hand Cream. Are your hands suffering from extreme dryness? Our intensive formula is designed to provide relief and restore moisture. Don't let cracked hands hold you back. This repairing skincare works to heal and soothe even the most damaged skin. Experience deep hydration like never before. It penetrates to moisturize and protect your skin from harsh conditions. Perfect for daily use, it keeps your hands soft and comfortable. Make it a part of your routine for lasting results. Trust O'Keeffe's Working Hands to bring your skin back to life. Get the relief you deserve for your hardworking hands. What we like. This is the go-to for hands that face extreme dryness and cracking. It's designed to repair and protect, providing much-needed relief for the toughest conditions. If your hands are constantly exposed to harsh elements or manual work, and you need a reliable repair cream, this is the one you need. What people say. This is the best hand cream I have ever used. It is not greasy and absorbs quickly. It works wonders on my dry, cracked hands. My hands feel so soft and smooth after using it. I love the scent of this hand cream. It's subtle and not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.